Today on PowerNation Daily, a dealer told this owner of an F-250 that his truck wasn't supposed to go over 65 miles per hour. Genovation Extreme Electric introduces this new electric Corvette. A Russian guy steals a tank to break in and buy some booze. Well, he stole the booze. A Barbie Jeep that gets serious mods that you don't want to miss. And Jeremy Clarkson attempts his own Farmkhana. You don't want to miss any of this stuff. It all happens right here, right now on PowerNation Daily. What's up, everybody? I'm Gannon. Welcome to PowerNation Daily. Let's get with it. Have you ever been frustrated about taking your vehicle to the dealership? Because I have, but this guy, man, he really was frustrated. He's from Colorado. His name's Brandon, and he took his new F-250 to a local dealer with a violent front end shake. And when I'm talking violent, check out this video. Instead of fixing the problem, though, the dealer told him that his truck was not designed, get this, to go over 65 miles per hour. It's a work truck. It's not made for hot rodding. And that's nuts. Not only is this ridiculous, but obviously it's wrong. Ford claims itself the top speed for this truck is 95 miles per hour. At least that's what the lawyers say. After much back and forth between Brandon, the dealer, and Ford, it turns out the truck just had a bad ball joint. No way. Of course it did. What are you talking about? 65 miles per hour. The dealer admitted that it gave out incorrect information. Ford ultimately took responsibility, and the guy got a new ball joint. But you gotta see this video. It's pretty funny. It just makes you shake your head. Check it out on PowerNationTV.com. There's a lot of technology being debuted at this year's Consumer Electronics Show, one of which was Genovation Extreme Electric's all-electric Corvette, complete with a manual gearbox. Not sure how they do that, but sounds cool. To get the speed that they were looking for, the GXE will house a 7-speed manual gearbox that will be connected to 800 horsepower and 700 pound-feet of torque. Sounds good. The speed record for this Corvette was 209 miles per hour, which is flat getting it done. It goes 0 to 60 in less than 3 seconds, which is impressive. It actually makes it faster, or quicker, I should say, than the C7 Corvette Grand Sport. But the problem is there's no exhaust, so I don't want it. But maybe you do. What do you think about it? Let us know in the comments at PowerNationTV.com. 2 things Russians are good at: armored vehicles and drinking booze. This guy is proof. A man in Moscow did whatever it took to get himself a bottle of wine in his hand. Like stealing an armored tank and ramming it through a convenience store window. I gotta be honest, I'm a little bit impressed with this guy. He's definitely Russian. Autoblog reports he stole the vehicle from a nearby training ground, and he ran it into some parked cars, and then he ran it through a shop window. Needed an armored tank to run through a window. Nonetheless, afterwards, after everything happened, he drank his bottle of wine, they found him, they arrested him, and now he's in jail. I'm not sure exactly what happened to him. All I know is this guy stole a tank to run through a glass window and steal some wine. If you want to see the whole video, check it out on PowerNationTV.com. The Barbie Jeeps used in these off-road events are typically stock, if that's what you want to call it, but leave it to some gearheads to come up with some mod options for the Barbie Jeeps. And these guys actually did it. They grabbed a 250cc engine with 6 horsepower. That's a lot of horsepower for a Barbie Jeep. And they went to work on it, and the video is awesome. You can check out the whole thing on our website at PowerNationTV.com. Leave a comment, let us know what you think, because I personally think it's great. Chances are you've seen Ken Block, and chances are you've seen Gymkhana videos, because they're everywhere. They've got like a gazillion views. And these guys, the Grand Tour guys that we all know, decided to actually try to pull off their own version. So the question is, do you think you have to be as good as Ken Block to pull off a Gymkhana style video? Apparently, Jeremy Clarkson is not as good as Ken Block, and he found out that it takes a lot of skill and it's a lot harder than he expected. But they did do their own version. They called it Farmkhana, and it's pretty good. It's kind of silly, but I like it. If you want to see the whole video, check it out on our website at PowerNationTV.com. Thanks for watching PowerNation Daily, everybody. I'm Gannon Pritchard. Have a good rest of your day. We'll see you guys later.